is infusion pump. Infusion pump is a medical device that delivers fluid, such as nutrient and medication, into a patient's body in controlled amount. Appearance of infusion pump. Front view, back view. What is routine inspection? Routine inspection is user area periodic inspection or round to check biomedical equipment, physical integrity, functionality and safety aspect. Routine inspection may include immediate rectification for minor fault of biomedical equipment. Example of checklist routine inspection. Routine inspection tasks. Routine inspection tasks are include: first is cases, verify physical integrity, cleanliness and condition. Second, mount or fastener, verify the physical integrity. Third, fitting or connector, verify the integrity. Fourth, control or switch or keypad or knob, verify proper operation of control and make sure all buttons functioning well. Fifth, indicator or display, verify proper illumination and operation. Sixth, audible or visual alarm, verify proper operation, automatic and activation. 7. Accessories, if applicable, verify as appropriate. Eight, labeling, verify caution and warning label. 9. Functioning test, verify equipment functionality and carry out adjustment if necessary. And then lastly is cleanliness, clean exterior of the equipment.